This is the XBAR-24 Soundbar Bluetooth speaker system for ATVs, UTVs, side-by-sides, Jeeps, and other off-road vehicles. The system consists of 6 speakers, 4 of which are 3.5-inch mid-bass drivers and 2 are 1-inch dome tweeters, all encased in a marine-rated rugged IPX6 weatherproof and waterproof casing. On top of that, it has built-in LED lights that feature different light modes of solid colors that you can select by clicking the Rockville button on the front and choose from the colors of red, purple, and blue, as well as a pulsating color mode where the LEDs will blink through the different colors. And if you don't want any LEDs, you can turn them off completely. Now on the face of the system, we have all of our button controls that are conveniently placed so that you can operate the soundbar while driving. There is a power button that if you short click will turn off LEDs that illuminate the buttons, and if you long click this button, it'll turn off the whole system completely. There is a source button to flip between the 2 sources of aux and Bluetooth. Since there is an aux mode, there's a 3.5mm aux input so that you can plug in a music source with the included aux cable. Or you can connect your device through Bluetooth while the soundbar is in Bluetooth mode, which your device will automatically connect to after the first time you pair to it. There's a play pause button as well as a song skip or rewind button and a volume up and down buttons for maximum control while driving. The soundbar can be installed either behind the driver or in front of the driver, and installation is super easy with the ready-to-wire harness that is already attached to the system. We also include power and ground wires that have O-rings on them so that you can attach those wires to the red power and black ground wire on the XBAR-24 and install them directly to your vehicle's battery. Yup, it's that simple. The power wire just needs to be run to the positive terminal of your vehicle's battery, and the ground wire just needs to be run to the negative terminal of your battery, and you're good to go. On top of that, we include other installation accessories like zip ties for a clean install. Mounting to the roll bar or roll cage is super easy as well. There are 4 metal clamps that you attach to the XBAR-24 that clamps over your roll bar or roll cage. And also included are these rubber pads that you can use to get a super secure fit around whatever bar size you mount to. This is a multi-angle adjustable clamp system that fits 1.5 inch, 1.75 inches, 1.85 inches, and 2-inch bars. For a full installation guide, check out our How to Install Your XBAR-24 video over here. But you're probably wondering what this sounds like, so let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, guys? So as you can see, I have my XBAR-24 all set up and ready to go. Usually it would be connected to the battery of your UTV or any other vehicle, but for today's demo purposes, we have it connected to our power supply right over here. You could also connect the XBAR to the amp of your vehicle to expand your setup with additional speakers or subs. But as you guys are about to hear, the XBAR is an absolute beast on its own, which makes it perfect for music playback while you're riding in your vehicle. So I've got my smartphone right here connected to the XBAR through Bluetooth, but you could also use the aux input to connect any music source as well. I've also got the lights on, which is really cool to have when you're riding as well. So now let's play some music and hear how the XBAR-24 sounds. Whoa! Nice low end on this thing. Plenty of mid to high range frequencies, which is really good for when you're riding in your vehicle because the music really cuts through. The lights are on point. Man, this thing is awesome. So as you guys just heard, the XBAR-24 sounds amazing. It looks great with the lights setting the vibe, and it's the perfect thing to have on your vehicle.
The XBAR-24 is an extremely loud soundbar system with great sound quality. So if you're looking for a 24-inch soundbar Bluetooth speaker system for your Polaris RZR, UTV, ATV, side-by-side, Jeep, or other off-road vehicle, look no further than the XBAR-24 from Rockville.